Hi, this is Mrs. Regalia and welcome to Algebra 2. This little video is about 4 minutes long and it's going to show you how to use the SchoolLoop resources I have available. So this is my portal. On your portal you have a list of all your classes here on the left side. Click on the word Algebra 2 and it will take you to the main index page. Pretty much everything that you're going to use is on this page. On the left side you see a weekly calendar of assignments and events. If you click on the little monthly calendar icon, you'll get to a monthly calendar where you can look at upcoming tests and quizzes because I post those always at least a week in advance. And you can see that every assignment that I do post will remain on the calendar for the entire year. So you can always go back and look at makeup work that needs to be done. So if we go back to our main page, on the right side, I'll post any news for the course up on the top. And then I have a bulletin board. There's a homework YouTube. There's a lesson pencast list. There's online practice quizzes and a class performance log. First, the YouTube. YouTube is just organized by chapter, and there's a playlist for every chapter. Within a playlist, there are 40 to 50 videos where I have selected problems in the textbook by page and problem number, and I work them and help explain the concept to you of why I'm doing what I'm doing and how to solve a given problem or exercise. So as an example, I'll talk through it, page 342, number 35 here. And you're all familiar with how YouTube works and how to adjust the volume and the screen size. So I don't think I need to show you too much of that, but I will go through an entire problem and explain it as thoroughly as I would in class. So that's a good thing for when you're stuck. Second thing are the lesson pencasts. These are mini lessons for every single lesson in your textbook. I have sort of the current chapters that we're working on always posted on this page. So, for example, lesson 2.5 will be, say, a 9 to 10 minute lesson on the main concepts in lesson 2.5 in your textbook. So these are actually PDF files that play.
Now, last thing that I learned about in this unit on inequalities is how to solve an absolute value equation or inequality by graphing instead of an algebraic.
So these can be stopped and started. You can fast forward them to anywhere you want on the page. Okay. You can show a preview of what's coming.
2 is just 2.
Whatever you like. Anyway, that'll be an entire concept. And if you miss class or if you're reviewing for a test or trying to preview, those might be helpful for you. Online practice quizzes I will post occasionally and these are usually optional and you can take them at home and get immediate feedback and see if you're prepared for an upcoming test or quiz. And then at the bottom, the class performance log is a log that shows the credit that you've gotten on your class participation credit card. So when you look up your card number, you'll be able to see these are turned green and you'll get 1 point for your participation each week. So that's that. And then over here, the last thing, if you tab over to the locker, you'll see that I have all of the pencasts for the entire year here, if you're reviewing or you needed to go back. And then, whoops, if I go back to that locker, you've got textbook solutions here. So you'll have a PDF file that you can look up any book, page number, and find the problems. And it's not just odd problems, it's odd evens. And it shows some of the steps of how the problem is solved or worked out. So with that, I'd like to say welcome to class, good luck, and if you have trouble using any of these features, just ask me individually in class and I will try and help you. Thanks for watching this video.